Hello everyone, this is Ekta Takrani. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will continue with class 9th history chapter 1st, that is the French Revolution. This is the second video of the chapter. I am mentioning this because you have to go with the first video, okay? Because that is all about the introduction, what we are going to study. So you should know the background history, what we are studying in the chapter. So if you have missed the first video, first watch the first video and then you can continue with this. Okay. So in the first video we have already discussed what was the French society, what was happening in French society, and a little bit I told you the actual reason of the French Revolution. Okay, and I told you that there is a series of events, there will be many such events. Okay, so French Revolution is a series of events, not one event. So now we will move to the next problem faced by the people in France. That is subsistence crisis. It's a major thing as it states subsistence. The people are struggling to survive. They cannot sustain their life. The situation is like this, that they have to fight for the survival. So what is the reason they are facing such struggle? Let us see what was happening in the 18th century. There was a rapid increase in the population of France. The population is increasing from 24 million to 28 million. Then this population increase will lead to increase in the demand. There was more and more demand for the food grains. As demand also increased, there was a price rise. Automatically it is having an impact. There was a high price rise and a high price rise in the poor people. The wages were same. There was no change in the wages. And there was high price rise, but the wages were not increasing with that pace. So they were extremely less wages and high price rise. High price rise of the basic things like bread, the staple food of France which they are eating every day. That basic thing they were not getting. That was extremely costly. These low wages and there was a lack of food grains that lead to a gap between rich and poor. It widened. There was a gap is increasing between rich and poor, haves and have-nots. And then another major thing took place which has made the situation even worse. That is drought. There was a crop failure in the same decade. There was a crop failure which led to shortage of food grains. Now you imagine there was already a price rise. They were already struggling with meeting the taxes, getting less wages, and now there is shortage of food grains. Now again price rise. These are all the reasons for the subsistence crisis. You have to note down. We can ask what was the reason behind subsistence crisis in France. So there is not one reason. These are all the reasons. There is an increase in population, then demand increase, then price increase, wages were not increasing, and the drought has made it even worse. So these were all the reasons of the subsistence crisis in France, and it is not one. This was happening frequently. Again and again they were facing such crisis. Now the next topic, we will move to the next topic, that is growing middle class. What we have seen in the 18th century, there was an emergence of new group. Another new group came which is known as the middle class. In the previous video I told you about three different estates. The rich, that nobles and clergy, and the third estate who were suffering. But now another new term came which is known as middle class. Who are these people? Let us see. The middle class includes the traders, manufacturers, educated people who are rich, who are having better access to education and trade. They are earning and they are well-off people. Okay, so they are not part of clergy and nobles, they are not part of third estate. So this is another social group. But this social group, this is economically they are well-off, but they have got a different ideology. What they believe, let us see. They believe in the idea of privileges on merit and not on birth. With what was happening in France, they were enjoying privileges by birth, that you belong to third estate, you have to suffer, and you belong to the nobility and first estate, you will be enjoying the privileges by birth. But these educated people, they put a question mark that why? There should not be any privileges by birth, but on merit, the quality, the services. On that basis, we can give them some privilege, but not on the basis of birth. According to them, they brought the idea of freedom, equality and equal opportunities for all. They believe in equality, that all are same, all should be treated with equality, and they should enjoy freedom and they should get equal opportunities. So these were the ideas brought by these educated middle class people. Now they have highlighted these ideas. There were many philosophers and educated people who brought these ideas, and they questioned many things. They put a question in a book: what is this third estate? When it comes to you, if you are a well-educated person today, we are aware about our rights. If today anybody is telling you you belong to third estate or third class, we will never accept this, because we believe in the idea of equality. Similarly, here this middle class people questioned this, and they asked, what is this third estate? And they have put several such questions, and they have mentioned in their popular books. They are the popular philosophers: John Locke, who has written the book Two Treatises of Government. You have to learn the name of these books for the very short answers. Jean-Jacques Rousseau, he has written a book called Social Contract. Another book is written by Montesquieu, The Spirit of Laws. So there were several such books which questioned the idea of privileges by birth, and they brought the idea of privileges on merit, or the idea of freedom, equality and equal opportunities for all. So this is all about the subsistence crisis and the middle class. What changes they have brought, how they fought against these privileges, let us see in the next video. So stay connected and revise both the videos and prepare notes. You have to include the names of the books and the people who were these middle class, who were all the three estates, examples and all. Okay, so this is all you have to prepare in your own notes for better understanding. Till then, goodbye.